Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make homemade brown sugar. Ingredients you need: 1 cup of sugar, the normal sugar we use to bake, and 1 tablespoon of molasses. Take a clean bowl, put your sugar, add the molasses to it. And you rub it with your finger. It depends. If you want it dark, add 1 tablespoon of molasses to it. But if you want it light like this, you can make it. Please don't forget to like, follow and share my Facebook page. And follow my Instagram page. I'm there, so you can follow me there too. You know, you need brown sugar for your bakings. You need brown sugar for your ice cream. So many things you need brown sugar. So this is easy for you, can make it at home. You see, it's very easy. The brown sugar is ready to use. I'm thanking my old subscribers. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the notification bell there, please. Don't forget to comment on my comment section. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to comment. And you transfer to airtight jar, because I'm not going to use it that day, so you store inside like this, and it can take some months, not 1 month, not 2 months. It can take some months. You cover it nice like this. Please don't forget to follow my social media platform, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the notification bell there. You see my video, like, comment and share it. Thanks for watching my catering services. Bye bye, see you on my next video.